She had to redo half that house. It's the biggest Air Force base in Canada, I think. It's pretty cool.
What kind of planes are they?
Because the C-17s. Military planes. 3/4 of the time with the people on here.
That's what it sounds like. Sad. I want to go on that. Hello. You guys want to see something bad? I got pretty crispy today on my back. Oh, good Lord. It is really bad. I didn't think it was this bad, but it is. Anyway, whatever, what can you do? The show must go on. I gotta get ready now because I'm having some people over for a little fire party thingy mabob tonight. So yeah, and I can't wear my bathing suit all night. So I gotta put on regular human clothes now.
Hey, what are those things? It's on top. It's on top. It's on top. It's on top. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, there we go. Good. What is that? Wait, what the fuck is going on? And it's gonna go boom! Dude, I thought that one was way cooler. There it is. Liam, these are our birthday fireworks.
That's like a fucking chain gun right there. You just hold it right there. Just gun them down.
So it's backlighting.
Okay, okay, give us a flex.
Come here! Come on! Good word. Lick it. Lick it. Shorts!
You don't have any pants
They have a
on!
pocket, which means they're shorts.
Babe, no!
I was right.
I'm too independent.
That's not true. Hello. It's Monday today, and I have a tensor bandage on my wrist because Liam broke it. He didn't. What happened was, I had a party here on Saturday night, as you saw, and I came inside to go to the bathroom, and Liam came with me, and then we were just like standing in here talking, and then I had my window open, so Andrew and Jared and maybe Ray came to the window, and Liam was laying on the ground back here being a fool, so they were all like, get on top of him, wrestle him, pin him down. If you hold him there for 3 seconds, then you win. And I was like, why not? So I did. I won, and then I got up and I was all like, woo, yeah. And then he friggin' body slammed me onto the bed, and I had my hands up like this to like push him off, and then he put all of his weight specifically on like this half of my body, and my hand went all the way back. And then when he got off, when I was screaming, it went all the way back up. And I literally just grabbed my hand, fell off the bed, and started bawling. And he didn't believe me. Like, he was just laughing with the guys in the window. And then he was like, oh my God, babe, are you okay? And I was like, no, I'm not okay. And I was bawling. And then he was like, oh my God, what did I do? What happened? He was like holding my hand and trying to take care of me, and he got some peas, and then there was a fiasco with the peas to put on my arm because there was no ice. I'll insert a Snapchat video of the a million peas that ended up on the kitchen floor. My poor mom. So I can't move it at all, really. Like I can wiggle my fingers and I can move it up and down and side to side, but it hurts a lot. I can't pick anything up. I can't even hold my phone in this hand. Like it literally can't support the weight. I tried to write and I can, but it really friggin' hurts, so I don't want to. It's not broken because I can still move it and there's no bruising or anything, but Liam is gonna take me to the ER tonight and we're gonna check if it's dislocated, because I do have all the symptoms of a wrist dislocation other than the bruising. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this on. I don't know how I'm supposed to drive to work, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, I really wish it was my left hand because I am right-handed and now I can't do anything. When it comes time to shower, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I can barely brush my teeth with my left hand, so yeah. But right now I'm just gonna attempt to get ready for work. Maybe I'll film it, that might be fun. Let's try that. At least it's not broken. I hope it's just sprained and not dislocated, because I really don't want to go through the pain of relocating it, because it already hurt enough with the popping. Like I can't even describe the sound it made when it went and then it was just not fun. Thankfully though, I was drunk, so that probably helped with the pain. So I just washed my face with a face cloth, and I tied my hair back, kinda, in a bun-ish. It hurt, and I was able to put deodorant on, but not very well. I think I'm just gonna keep the makeup simple here. So I'm gonna start with my brightening serum from Physicians Formula. Go. Oh, you want the toilet? Here you go. My cat has a weird thing where he likes to drink out of the toilet water because it's cold, so I let him. So far, so good. Normally I would attempt to put like, I think I need a little bit of concealer. Here we go. This is my, my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm gonna put this under my eyeballs, like so. Ow, that's awful. And a little bit on this big ass fucking pimple I got going on here. Okay, here we go. Blend, 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 blend. This is just really bad timing. Like normally Liam is around that he could help me out with something like this. But he just got a job, and today was his first day, so of course this had to happen the weekend of his new job. So now he's not here to freaking drive me to work or help me put my bra on. This is just sad, honestly. This is sad. I'm not completely useless, y'all. Can't even curl my eyelashes, so I'm just gonna use my Milk Kush mascara. Awesome. They're looking good. And I really am just going to leave my hair like this. Now the challenge is getting dressed. Okay, so I just got my bra and underwear on. Underwear was fine because I can take my pants off and on without any issues really. But my bra, that was a bit of a challenge. Okay, these are the pants I'm gonna wear, but they're inside out. So I'll hold them with my pinky. Okay, I'm gonna wear this shirt. I'll also show you when it's on. And armhole. Oh, that's the neck hole. Okay. Awesome. Oh, there we go. Whoop. And then we'll just pop it on. Ow! Man. Fix this. There we go. That was fun. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll keep you updated if it's dislocated or not. I just realized something. I find it funny that I put concealer on this pimple because I have to wear a mask anyway, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm in my car now, just talking myself up. I can hold the wheel. I don't know about turning yet. I would say the most challenging part of my morning thus far was the brassiere. Hi guys. I just got home from work. It was okay. I just did a little bit of filing and whatnot. The drive was definitely challenging. Did I tell you guys that I was going to the hospital tonight? I think so. I'm really terrified. Like, I don't think it's dislocated, but there's like 8 bones in your wrist, little tiny ones, and I'm relatively terrified that they're gonna tell me it is and they're gonna have to pop it back in, and I'm so scared. I don't want to go through that pain. But I'm just gonna take my wrap off and ice it while I watch an episode of Pretty Little Liars, and then hopefully the ice makes it feel better because it's really bugging me right now. And then I can tidy up some things. Thumbs up.